Get great results from your affiliate program with these suggestions. Affiliate marketing is a clever way of marketing that can get customers to come to you and also reward them. This video can give you more information about what type of affiliate marketing would be best for your business. You will find that if you take the proper steps, you can expect great gains. Properly use the meta tag. This description will show up on search engines and anywhere there's a description of your website, so make sure to be as succinct and professional as you can. Emphasize the best parts of your product or service so a person will be intrigued and click through to your site. You can use past customers to draw in new ones by giving a bonus for referring new users to the service. Your old customers will love the chance to get deals and will do your advertising work for you. Their friends will trust a recommendation of a close friend more than an ad, and they'll be much more likely to shop at your store. Some affiliate companies will want you to sign an exclusivity clause, but you should avoid doing this. Pay attention to the fine print in any affiliate agreement. If you ever want to branch out and use your site to promote other products, make sure the company you're choosing now will not try to prohibit your growth in the future. Develop different site for different affiliate programs, especially if the products that you are advertising are very diverse. You can use subdomains to cut down on cost. If you have 10 different affiliate programs going, do not try to make them all fit within your one site. You may confuse your visitors. Focus on high margin items if your targeted audience can afford it. Promoting a high value item and a 99-cent book both take the same amount of time and effort. If you are going through all the work anyway, focus on something that can make you some real money. The other benefit is that you need less sell-throughs to make the same amount of money. To make more money with your affiliate marketing business, you should provide as much information about the products you promote. People will be most interested in how the product has helped you, so write about it in a way that allows them to picture themselves using it and getting the same benefit. Attach a deadline to buying particular affiliate products to encourage customers to buy now. When people have the feeling that there is a limited time left to make a purchase, it prompts them to buy it right away. You can easily generate additional revenue this way. As previously explained, affiliate marketing can be a wise marketing strategy. Every business could benefit from having more customers or developing new ones. By following the advice in the video and applying it to your situation, you are taking active steps to bring customers to you, as well as rewarding those who may already be customers. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.